Spelling it out. Unraveling the phrase, to spell it out. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can sometimes be puzzling for learners, to spell it out. In this video, we'll break down the meaning, usage, and subtle nuances of this phrase to ensure you can use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. To spell it out might initially sound like it's about spelling words correctly. However, this phrase is less about letters and more about making something clear and understandable. When someone says they're going to spell it out, they mean they will explain something in a very detailed and clear manner, often because the listener hasn't understood something on the first explanation. This phrase is particularly useful in situations where misunderstandings can cause problems. It's often used in professional settings, like meetings or presentations, to ensure everyone is on the same page. However, it's also common in everyday conversations. For example, let me spell it out for you. If we don't meet the deadline, we'll lose the client. I didn't understand the game rules until my brother spelled them out for me. It's important to note that while to spell it out can be incredibly helpful, it can sometimes come off as condescending if not used carefully. The tone and context matter a lot. It's usually a good idea to ensure the person you're speaking to is open to a more detailed explanation before you start to spell it out. In English, there are often many ways to express the same idea. Instead of to spell it out, you could also say to make it crystal clear or to clarify. These phrases can be used interchangeably, but it's always a good idea to choose the one that best fits the context and tone of your conversation. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase, to spell it out. We've covered its meaning, usage, and even touched upon the importance of tone. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English conversations. If you have any phrases or words you want us to explore next, don't hesitate to comment below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.